Hey guys, it's Matt with Susquehanna Automotive. Today we are checking out this absolutely gorgeous and brand new color in person, the high velocity yellow. That is right, this is the first factory ordered Wrangler that has been delivered to our dealership in this brand new color. Now this one had a very quick turnaround time. This one just rolled off the trailer and I was lucky enough to call our customer and let her know that her new Jeep just showed up at our dealership. It is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and ready for delivery. Now this one did take just a few months to get in. This was released and it was ordered pretty much the same day that this color was first released. I honestly had no idea what it was gonna look like in person, and now that I have it here, I really do like this color. Who knows, maybe I'll even order a Wrangler in high velocity here coming up. But that's enough of me talking. Let's walk around and show you guys what this color really looks like. And I gotta tell you guys, I absolutely love seeing this one in person, and that's because this is a unique build. I would say approximately 10 to 20% of the Wranglers we order are two-doors, and this one here is just in the perfect Wrangler color. I can remember back in the late 80s, the Islander edition Wranglers, really these bright yellows, and they just popped. This is a fun vehicle, this is a beach vehicle, and this is really something that you're not gonna be able to shy away when you're at the parking lot or on the trails. Now with this one, she did opt for a black hardtop and the black Highline fender flares. She got LED group, the front and rear steel bumpers, and a lot of other goodies in here, including the hardtop headliner and some cool features inside there. I gotta give some huge props to her because when we ordered this, there was like one photo out, and it was a leaked photo from the factory of this color, and it was on a Sahara and everything was color matched. So honestly, this was a shot in the dark a little bit. I've seen some of these Rubicon 392 XRs being delivered in high velocity yellow. It's a ton of yellow all over it, but I gotta tell you guys, I'm a fan of this one. Now, if you guys look at this closely, what I'm seeing up in person, and if you wanna kind of live vicariously through me, this is a very flat color. So think of a Sarge or a Sting Gray where it's a very flat color, and by flat, I mean there's not a lot of flake in it. There's no metallic, it's a flat color that has been clear coated. Now, if you look at a Mojito Wrangler, those have a ton of flake in them, they're a bright green, and they really just sparkle in the sun. This one, I actually like the fact that it's flat. It kind of blends a lot better with the more flat black accents, so pretty cool to see it in person and also see if there was or wasn't gonna be flake, because honestly, we didn't know. Now, if you guys look at this and you're trying to think of a color that it reminds you of, if you remember back in 2016, they had a hyper green JK. We're gonna pop an image up on here on the screen, and that's honestly, I think, pretty close to what it looks like if you just turn the brightness up, and you can compare it to a Gecko. So when I'm walking around, I see this in the light, and it looks very yellow, but then I'll move to different angles. It looks a little bit green. Think of a highlighter. Honestly, this is just one that you have to see in person, but if you're on the fence, here's a good video and a good clip to show you the difference between this and some other colors that are kind of close to it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Honestly, I just love seeing these come in. And Jess, if you're watching this one, thanks for having faith in us and having faith in the color to order on this high velocity. We're super excited. And I gotta be honest with you, you're probably one of the first in Pennsylvania to actually have this color. Now, if you guys wanna order your next vehicle with me, be sure to check down below in the description. We make it super seamless here, and there's a reason we've been selling these things all over the country. Now, until next time, we have some ideas to check out some brand new colors and hope that those start rolling in too. And by the way, let me know in the comments if you guys love or hate this color. Would you drive it, and what trim would you go on? I've been polling most of the dealership, and we're at about a 50-50 love and hate it. It's not one that's in the middle. This is love or hate. So let me know in the comments. I love to read them. Until next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive. I'll catch you on the next one.